welcome to the stage, Minnesota boys, Lieutenant Colonel John Clatt flying the Air National Guard MXS. And off his right side, Mr. Jeff Bourbon in the Jacklings Extra 300L. From behind the crowd, John out front in the lighter and faster aircraft. The MXS. John, a long-time member of the Air National Guard for nearly 24 years. Mr. Jeff Bourbon, former U.S. National Aerobatic Champion, tucked in off of John's right side. Diving in now at nearly 200 miles an hour. John will ease back up front so Jeff Bourbon can keep pace with the lighter and faster aircraft. As they work up over the top, Jeff will mainly stay in position by focusing on one particular spot on John's aircraft. Once he's in that position, he will maintain separation using power and his rudder.